In this video, we are going to fix the 0x800f0900 Windows 11 update error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So by that, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you have opened the settings window, you need to navigate here at the left pane, find for an option which is called the system. Click on it. And under the system, you need to scroll down and locate for an option which is the troubleshoot. So by that, you need to scroll down and locate for it. So click on it. And afterwards, you'll see these three options. Please proceed to other troubleshooter. And then you need to find for Windows Update and run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So it will take some time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, but please be patient. Wait until the process would be finished. And once it is being done, try to check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? However, if not, then we need to proceed to the next solution. The next solution would be here at the search box. You need to type for the CMD. Once you've typed it, please wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And from here, you need to click on Run as Administrator. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I will be including a comments at the description box below. So please copy it. The first is this one. SFC scan now. This will do system scanning. Please paste it here. Make a right click to paste it so that you can start the process. And once it is being done, it will take 5 minutes or more than that. Wait until it would be done. And once you are done, please proceed on copying and pasting this second command, which is to restore the health of your computer. So paste it here and then wait until the process would be finished. And once you are good, you just have to close this window and restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to navigate here at the search box again. Please type for CMD. And then once you have seen the best match, which is the command prompt system, you need to navigate here at the right side again and go with the Run as Administrator. Now click on it. So this time you need to go with the second set of commands, which is to stop first the Windows update and to stop this background internet transfer service. Okay. So by that you need to copy and paste it here. And then once you have stopped the Windows update service, you need to stop the background intelligent transfer service as well. And then once you are done, you need to minimize this window first, okay? And from that, you need to navigate here at the File Explorer, open it. Once you have opened the File Explorer, okay, you need to proceed here at the left pane. You can see this PC and under it, you can see your C drive or local disk. Click on that one. Once you have opened your C drive, you need to navigate to the Windows, double tap, and then here you need to proceed to an option which is the software distribution. So please open your software distribution and then please delete all of the files here. Okay? So please click on this trash bin icon to delete it. And once you have deleted it, you need to open your CMD again. And this time you need to run the last set of command, which is to start the Windows update as well as the background intelligence service again. So by that, you need to copy and paste it here. And then once you have start the Windows update service, proceed on pasting the second, which is to start the background intelligence service. And then once you are good with all of this, okay, you need to restart the computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed, okay? Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.